Everyone, hope all of you are doing great. So in the last video we have written our library contract for our staking tab. I hope you guys have followed that. In this particular video we're going to build the contract for our context. Okay, just code along with me, everything will make sense, that how you can write custom contracts and you can use in your project. So here I'm in the context contract. Let me give the license identifier. Then we have to define the solidity version. Let's come here, let's call it abstract contract context. And in that we have to write two functions which can deal with the manage of our context. So we'll take this function called message sender. It's going to be return internal view virtual, and we'll take this address. I can see that you can see a lot of new keywords we are using in our contract. I believe that you guys have taken the entire solidity course, which I have. It has close to 60 to 70 videos where I have covered extensively all of these keywords. So I'm going to use it directly. I'm not going to explain that what exactly it's doing. If you haven't taken the solidity course, make sure to take that. That will give you a proper idea. But first build this project. In that we have to return this address. So we'll take this return message.sender. So this function will allow us to give us that whoever is calling the function is the message.sender and his address. Then we have to build another function which will be the message data internal view virtual return, and it's going to return the call data, means the message. Simply return that message.data. And that's the simple contract we have. You guys have understood that what we have done here. We have written this two function which will tell us that message.sender and the function of the to call. It will give us the address of the message.sender, and the other function we have is message data, means give us the data in the message.sender when he try to call the function. So that's the entire context. So that's what we have written. Let's write the second one.